How to fix microphone not working on Telegram in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your App Store and then search here Telegram. First of all, update your Telegram. If it doesn't update your Telegram, then here you can see the option update and then click on update and update your Telegram. After update your Telegram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Telegram and click on it. And here you can see the option offload. Now click on offload and then again click on offload app. After offload your Telegram, then click on reinstall app. After reinstall it, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.